I've earned over $20,000 from my Instagram account without ever showing my face. Let me share with you how you can also earn thousands of dollars and gain hundreds of thousands of followers. No exaggeration. Back in 2018, I started without a clue, diving straight into creating content. I'll admit, I wasted a lot of time initially. But today, I'm here to condense 5 years of experience into this video. I assure you, after watching this, you won't need any further guidance. If you aim to succeed on any social media platform, you must master 5 crucial steps, all interconnected and vital. The first step is choosing your niche, your focus. Secondly, crafting a captivating profile is key. Thirdly, understanding the algorithm is crucial. Fourthly, creating engaging content, and lastly, monetization. Today we'll focus on Instagram, but these principles are applicable to platforms like TikTok and YouTube Shorts as well. So, stay tuned. Grab a notebook, a cup of coffee, and let's dive in. Firstly, selecting your niche is paramount. It's the backbone of your project. If you slip up here, all your efforts could be futile. Around 80% of your content will revolve around this niche, so choose wisely. It's crucial to pick something you're passionate about, otherwise you'll likely give up. Additionally, steer clear of outdated topics. Your niche also plays a pivotal role in monetization, so choose carefully. For example, consider topics like finance or health. If you opt for finance, delve into areas like digital currency trading, investments, or online money making. Alternatively, if health is your interest, explore topics like diet, fitness, or healthy lifestyles. These are successful niches that could align with your passion. Now, on to step 2, crafting an appealing profile. Your account's aesthetics are vital in converting visitors into followers. Typically, a professional-looking account sees a conversion rate of around 10%. This means if you aim for 10,000 followers, about 100,000 visitors need to engage with your account. However, this rate can vary depending on your content and account specifics. You can track your conversion rate in your Instagram account statistics by dividing the number of profile visits by the new follower count in the same period. If your conversion rate falls below 5%, it's time to tweak your approach. Perhaps the account's profile picture, bio, or highlights, along with the content quality or overall visual presentation, play crucial roles. You'll need to utilize Canva for design purposes and also leverage ChatGPT to generate a catchy bio and phrases. Take a look at this Instagram account. Its posts have garnered over 11 million views, yet I've only managed to gain 11,000 followers from these views. The conversion rate was extremely low, approximately 0.001%. I recall one instance where we posted a reel that reached 2.3 million views, resulting in around 30,000 followers gained from just one reel. So, the message on your account must be clear, and the visual aesthetics must be appealing to convert viewers into followers effectively. Now, on to the third step, understanding the algorithm. Algorithms have undergone significant changes, mostly favoring content creators. They've become more lenient due to intense competition among social media platforms. Platforms now actively support content creators to maintain their presence on the platform rather than shifting to others. However, it's essential to note that all social media platforms share one common goal: to generate revenue, mostly through advertisers. The more users engage with the platform, the higher the profits through increased advertiser numbers. Therefore, if your content encourages users to spend more time interacting with it, whether by sharing with friends or commenting, the algorithms will favor you. This mutually beneficial relationship is evident when posts rack up tens of millions of views. In essence, if you produce engaging content that keeps users hooked and engaged, the algorithms will support you significantly. Now, on to the fourth step, content creation. Thanks to artificial intelligence, creating attractive content has become much simpler. AI tools like ChatGPT can provide you with endless ideas for content. Simply ask for 20 ideas, and you'll have a plethora of options to choose from. Let's kickstart the process of crafting unique content after gathering ideas. We can also request ChatGPT for a full 70-word text to build upon, adding our personal touches and additional information we want to convey. Now our text needs a voice. You have a few options here. You can use your own voice, an artificial intelligence voice, or purchase this service from one of the commentators on platforms offering such services. Let's opt for an artificial intelligence voice from the 11 Labs website. Once we have the audio, we move on to Instagram to browse through currently trending content, drawing inspiration to ensure the success of our own content before investing time into it. Next, we need images. There are two options: Serverny, a paid site we've discussed previously, or Leonardo, a free website with beautiful results. For this video, we'll use the Leonardo website. Now that we're prepared, we've reached the editing stage. You don't need to be a professional editor. The value of the information provided outweighs the editing finesse, though we'll aim for aesthetically pleasing reels. It's noteworthy that there are many free editing options available, like CapCut. Personally, I'll use Adobe Premiere, and in just a few minutes, our reel will be ready. To publish, we'll ask ChatGPT for a short description of the video, ensuring to confirm our account at the beginning of the description, crucial for gaining more followers. Finally, we'll request 20 hashtags related to our content from ChatGPT. With everything set, we'll hit publish. We'll repeat this process multiple times, always striving to enhance our content. Interacting with others is key. Responding to comments and messages helps build an engaged fan base. For the fifth step, arguably the most important, we aim to earn money during this month. Building friendships with fellow content creators allows us to benefit from their expertise and experiences. Depending on our page's follower count, we can offer advertising services, consulting, content creation, or page management. With a substantial following and engagement, creating and selling our own products, like ebooks or online courses, becomes viable. Lastly, if ever we decide to start anew, there's always the option to sell the account. I once sold an account with over 30,000 followers for $320, a testament to the potential value. Ultimately, the secret to success lies in consistency coupled with an insatiable thirst for learning and growth. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, goodbye.